Hey you guys, I have my sweet potatoes. I already had cut them up in the squares. So I'm going to put them in my pot. I'm making candy yams, you guys. So I'm going to rinse it. It's my cranberry sauce. It's nice here today. I think it's like going to be 52 degrees and sunny. So, put this in the refrigerator. Next thing, I'm going to start my macaroni and cheese. This is a really good candy bar, you guys. I get this from Aldi's, and it's full of almonds, and it has hazelnut spread in there. This is $1.49 for this big bar. So if you have an Aldi's, check this candy bar out. It's very good, and it lasts a long time. It's my coffee. Those are some things that I add to my macaroni. Half and half, cream cheese. I have some mild cheddar, sharp cheddar. And I like this cheese too. So I grate this cheese up, you guys. And mix this with the half and half. I'm going to show you guys when I start to make it. Because I like creamy macaroni and cheese and half and half. And I also have some evaporated milk. That also makes it very creamy. So when I get started on that, I'm going to let you guys see. So I'm going to take you. This is the turkey. I put it in. The onions and everything. I keep it aluminum foil on there for maybe an hour and a half to 2 hours, and after that, I take it out. Okay, you guys, I will be back with part 2, maybe part 3, maybe part 4. Okay, you guys.